Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I've decided to go back and try and finish my Majorette collections unboxing. I'm going to be looking at unboxing 7 of my Majorette cars today. I'm looking at some station wagons, a police car, and SUVs. We'll be looking at a Porsche Panamera Turbo police car, a Land Rover Defender 90, a Mercedes-Benz E-Class all-terrain station wagon, a Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid, a Lamborghini Urus, another Lamborghini Urus STX, and a Volvo V90 station wagon. Okay, I'm going to start off with my Porsche Panamera Turbo police car. I thought I'll just quickly show you the back of the card as well. They've got the remaining Porsche releases. I've got the police car, I've got the 934, and I've also got the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. I couldn't find the other 3, but I'm not really keen on getting every single one of them, so yeah. The Majorette premium releases come with a little collectible card. 6 cylinders, 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds, and some other information. Cool, let's look at the car. Awesome, guys. It's got a tow bar, painted taillights, chrome exhaust, siren lights on the top, side mirrors, plastic headlights. It just says Majorette on the logo. Doesn't really say which country police car this is. I'm guessing, being a Porsche, most likely German. But being a Majorette as well, it's got some moving parts. In this case, doors. It's pretty neat, guys. Okay, since we have 2 Lamborghini Uruses, I might just do them next. I'll probably do one next and then the other one in the end. This one's a Lamborghini Urus STX. Beautiful green color scheme, guys. With some black on the bonnet. There was nothing on the back of that card, but being a Premium Cars Series release, it's got a little collector's card with some information as always on the back. This one's got 8 cylinders. It tells you about the power and the torque. Doesn't tell you 0 to 100, I guess because it's an SUV, not a sedan or a sports car. Okay, let's look at the car now, or rather the SUV. It's got a beautiful green and black color scheme, 5-spoke chrome rims, side mirrors, black on the bonnet, beautiful Lamborghini logo in the front. I might have to spend some time detailing it to try to make it look more like the artwork, because there's a bit of green missing in the front. I'll probably just get to it later. Tow bar, painted taillights. Majorette didn't bother painting the exhaust chrome. I can probably go and do it. And opening parts on this one is the doors. Looks pretty neat, guys. Okay, let's go ahead with the Land Rover Defender 90. This is probably the shortened version, because you also got a longer version where you got 4 doors and a boot. This one's just got 2 doors. That's the collector card that came along with the vehicle. It's a 6-cylinder, 0 to 100 in 6 seconds. And some other information, guys, like speed, power, engine size, and torque. And that's the vehicle there. I like how Majorette pays attention to detail. Some fancy tires. Plenty of detailing on the back with the Land Rover logo, painted taillights, a spare wheel, white rooftop, beautiful metallic military green and black color schemes. And that's a beautiful tiny logo there, Land Rover, guys. Side mirrors, moving parts or opening parts on this one is the doors again. Overall awesome, guys. Looks really nice. Okay, we're left with 2 station wagons and 2 SUVs. I might look at the Volvo V90. Majorette never disappoints, guys. The collector's card with information on the back, Volvo V90. Okay, it's a 4-cylinder, 0 to 100 in 5.3 seconds, and a whole lot of other information, guys. That's nice of Majorette to include all these details for collectors, just as an FYI. Okay, that's the actual car, guys, or rather a station wagon. It's a beautiful gray color scheme. Painted signature Volvo taillights. Opening doors as the moving parts. Black rims. Plastic headlights. Beautiful Volvo logo in the front. Hope you guys can see it. Side mirrors. Looks immaculate, guys. I've got some European license plates, 1/64 scale. I might put one on down the track. Okay, let's look at one of the SUVs. Another Lamborghini Urus. Beautiful black and green color schemes. I love the green on the rims, guys. Okay, collector's card. This one's got 8 cylinders. Wow, that's one powerful SUV, guys. 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. And you've got your weight, speed, power, engine size, and torque. I wonder why one would need 8 cylinders on an SUV, especially if it's not a 7-seater, it's only a 5-seater. But I guess Lamborghini has the luxury of giving their customers 8 cylinders. That's the SUV, guys. Absolutely loving the black and green color scheme, the metallic green on the rims, but sadly this one's worn off. So I'll have to go in and do some magic, because the other 3 have them. Oh yeah. Beautiful matte black, plastic headlights, Lamborghini logo, side mirrors, opening doors, a tow bar. No chrome on the exhaust, so I'll have to do some work on it. Painted tail lights. Pretty neat, guys. Okay, down to the last 2, guys. This one's a Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid. Beautiful orange color scheme with some chrome on the rims. 6-spoke rims. And I'm sure being a Porsche, it's got a series at the back. Yep, because the other ones didn't. So, well, they've actually got other different models as well. Okay. I've got that in a beautiful parrot green. Cool. The collector's card, guys. Okay, it's got 6 cylinders, 0 to 100 in 5 seconds, and the other usual stuff: engine size, power, weight, and torque. And that's the vehicle, guys. I'm hoping and guessing you guys have noticed when this was still in the packaging. This one's got an opening boot or trunk as the moving part, not doors. It's got side mirrors, painted tail lights, tow bar, 6-spoke rims with some chrome accents, plastic headlights, Porsche logo on the bonnet. Pretty cool, guys. Okay, last one in today's unboxing video is a Majorette premium car series. It's a Mercedes-Benz E-Class all-terrain station wagon, and this one's got the opening trunk as the moving parts. Beautiful 10-spoke chrome rims, tow bar, Well, it looks good, guys. The collector's card, guys. E-Class all-terrain Mercedes-Benz station wagon. This one's got 6 cylinders, 0 to 100 in 5.4 seconds. Torque, weight, speed, power, and engine size. Cool. That's the vehicle. Beautiful cherry red, guys. Painted taillights, but the fact that they're also red, it's hard to give them a bit of a contrast. They could have probably used the white borderline, but anyway, they didn't bother painting the exhaust chrome. I'll do it. Side mirrors. Beautiful front grille logo. Benz logo on the bonnet. Plastic headlights. That's the back of it, guys. Alright guys, that's all the cars we are to look at today. In today's unboxing video of my 7 Majorette cars, we are to look at the Porsche Panamera Turbo police car, a Lamborghini Urus STX, a Land Rover Defender 90, a Volvo V90, another Lamborghini Urus, a Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid, and the last one was a Mercedes-Benz E-Class all-terrain. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I'll catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys.